The DIY Faraday Challenge Days are provided by the Institution of Engineering and Technology, the IET, to encourage young people to consider future careers in the STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering and mathematics. The IET provides a set of printable resources and guidance notes to support teachers and technicians in running the day in their school. The DIY Faraday Challenge Days not only encourage students to use key STEM skills and knowledge, but also develop their problem solving, team working and communication skills. There are several different challenges for both primary and secondary, and we provide all the information necessary to run one in your school. Most of the materials and equipment needed to run the challenges are typically found in schools, but for those things you may not have, we've provided links to potential suppliers to help you find things at low cost. The Challenge Day format allows all students to take part, regardless of their level of attainment or their specific needs. The open nature of the challenges allows students to be creative, working together as a team to solve problems and communicate their ideas. The range of support materials and the focus on working independently as a team means students have complete ownership of the task, set their own levels and determine their own success. Through the challenges, students achieve a better understanding of what engineering is and the contributions science, technology and mathematics make. Students really enjoy the real-life application of these subjects, and teachers often report increased student engagement as a positive outcome. There is a complete set of materials for each primary or secondary DIY Faraday Challenge that you can download from the IET Faraday website. These include the Teacher's Pack, which contains a list of the practical materials needed, presenters' notes highlighting key areas and reinforcing key themes throughout the day, some handy hints on how to deliver the day, plus printable Faraday currency and student certificates. A student booklet, available as an editable Microsoft Word document to allow the booklet to be adapted to meet the needs of your students and your school. A PowerPoint presentation, a step-by-step guide for your students throughout the day, with supporting notes for the delivery of the presentation and links to the related video clips. Teachers' notes can be found within the notes section of each PowerPoint slide. To run your DIY Challenge Day, you will need some support to run the Faraday shop. This shop manager could be a teacher or a technician or another volunteer. You also need a judge. This could be you, or it could be someone else who comes in to mark the specific elements of the challenge day. It is useful if someone can support the student should they need additional guidance, but you don't have to be an expert to do this. Remember, the aim of Faraday is to allow students to develop their own ideas and come to their own solutions. So often a simple suggestion can grow into something really fantastic. A challenge day is a great opportunity to invite a STEM ambassador into your school. Engineers, including IET members, scientists and other STEM professionals, are available to come and support you by volunteering their time to help run the Faraday Challenge Day, or any other STEM activity you have running in your school. Contact STEM Learning, who will help find a STEM ambassador in your area. This engagement could form the start of active links with local businesses. You could even suggest visiting their offices to run the challenge day for your students and combine the event with a careers talk from the company.